This short video from Moreton Bay Technology demonstrates to users how to view the status of a purchase request from the Procurement module of Check SCM. Points to note. It is assumed that the user has access to Check SCM and that their profile permits them to view a purchase request. From the Procurement module, select Purchase Request. Then select View Purchase Request. The View Purchase Request screen will appear. This screen is designed so that users may view anytime the current status of their requests. Icons at the top of the screen are Exit. Clicking this icon will exit the View Purchase Request screen. Add. This will allow you to add new purchase request. Note that if the user has access to both New Purchase Request and New Purchase Request by product list, then the system will default to the former. View History. Based on your site settings, all purchase requests will be archived after a specific number of days. To see purchase requests that have been archived, you may click on this icon. You may filter your information if required. By default, all purchase requests will be displayed, and you may filter these by site or by status. You may also navigate through the pages by clicking the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. In the body of the main screen, the columns presented are Purchase Request. This is the system-generated request number. Note that this field is also a hyperlink to the actual details of the purchase request. You may drill down into the detail by clicking on the request number. If there is a plus symbol alongside the request number, you may click on this to reveal the purchase orders and the relevant details associated with the order. Summary or Note. This displays the information entered in the summary field when creating the purchase request. Buyer shows the use code for the person that has purchased the goods. Created by shows the use code for the person who created the purchase request. Created date is the date the purchase request was created. Delivery date is the date the user requested the goods to be delivered. Site displays the site code. Cost center displays the cost center code. Status. This field shows the current status of the purchase request. There are a number of different status codes. They are unprocessed. The user has raised the purchase request but has not yet submitted it for approval. The request may still be changed or deleted by the initial user. Allocated. The purchase request has been allocated to a supplier. Allocated error. There are no valid quotes for this product. Approved. The request has been approved and is awaiting purchase. Approved error. The approval matrix cannot be found for this request. Cancelled. The request has been cancelled by the user. Consolidated. This request has been consolidated with other outstanding requests. Generated order. The request has now been converted into a purchase order. Rejected. The request has been rejected by one of the approvers. The items requested will not be purchased. Submitted. The request has been submitted and is awaiting the approval process. Suspend. The user has suspended the request pending further work. To be consolidated, it shows the requests awaiting consolidations. Approval level. Number of approval levels that are applicable and how many have been approved. For example, 1/2 means that the request must be approved by 2 authorized users, and currently only the first level has been approved. Last approved by. Name of the user that performed the last approval. Last approved on. Date the last approval took place. Next approval group. Show the name of the approval group that must perform the next level of approvals. Supplier. Name of the preferred supplier if selected when creating the request. Amount. Total value of the goods being purchased. Alert. When a purchase request has been put on hold, a star will appear in this column. Please check with your manager as to why it is on hold. To view the status of your request, use the filters if applicable to narrow your search. Once you have found your request, note the status field. Click Exit to return to the Check SCM menu. Additional information on this feature may be found in the following videos. Change a purchase request and cancel a purchase request.